Good morning. In Luke 2, we find that the angels go to the shepherd and announce the good news. Have you wondered why it is the shepherds that the announcement is given to? It is believed by some that these shepherds were no ordinary shepherds. They were shepherds who took care of the lambs which were sacrificed in the temple. And these lambs belong to the administration of the temple. And that's one of the reasons that the angels went there. Probably you would remember when John the Baptist saw Jesus, and he notes in 1 John 1:29, "Look, the lamp of God who takes away the sin of the world." John 1:36 he says, when he saw Jesus walking by, he said, "Look, the lamp of God." And if you connect this to Isaiah 53, we see the foreshadow of what Jesus was going to do, become the lamp of God so that he would be killed, he would die on our behalf. The temple was going to be destroyed after Jesus. It happened in AD 70. And Paul tells us in 1 Corinthians 3:16, "Don't you know that you yourself are God's temple, and that God's Spirit dwells in your midst?" Same thing he talks about in 1 Corinthians 6:19 to 20. So here the announcement of joy is made to the shepherds is significant to know, because the Lamb of God who was going to be slain for the sins of the whole mankind is announced to the people who are taking care of the lambs that were sacrificed in the temple. Something to think about, something to ponder about. Have a blessed day.